indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2017 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, steel wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.